So just to replay some real-time action, what's important about reading order flow or correlations to other markets for a lead lag type of scenario is to bring closer the feeling of, am I wrong or am I right, ASAP? Because then you avoid letting the psychology and the emotion interfere with your decisions, because you can get on the right side quicker, or hey, if generally I'm proven right ASAP, I'm not proven right yet, you could help get yourself out instead of having to grapple with those decisions with all the subjectivity that's involved. A lot of great psychological books out there on trading on everything. It's the implementation that's the problem. It's not the information. It's like, what's the bridge to get me to the other side to actively be able to conquer all these demons and all that comes at me when it comes to, do I get out now? It looks different, looks the same. Is it my emotions making the decisions, or is it the market? Is it the trade? Is it the process? So sooner rather than later is always a key to making subjective decisions objective. We're going to play in here where we're already bearish coming into today, 25 points lower. We open up, and in just a few minutes, we break them 3 or 4 points right out of the gate. No chance for a lot of people who are bearish, and most were coming into today's open. Most were bearish. Great. Most of them didn't get a chance to get short because it broke right out of the gate, which gives you the sense that there's more downside because there's less shorts, less buyers, an easier path lower. So look in the bottom right of this screen, and I'm going to play it a few times faster. And right there, in fact, let me share computer sound to see if you could also hear what I hear. And let me slow it down, not so fast. 28 halves come in, and I think it's 28.75s. They come in buying, and the son of a gun could not rally. Watch the lower right. Comes in 28 halves, and it was so fast in real time. I'll pause it again. And then he comes in at 26 3/4, and they laugh at him. You might have heard it just a second ago. They come in, and they don't even stand a chance. And it's that moment of, hey, this guy comes in trying to buy it, and they laugh at him right away. It's already bearish, but one of the moments where you could find the grapefruit eye moments of longs, if you're bearish, if you're short. All right. And you could see or hear it quickly turned green a second ago, and I paused it. I'll play it again, and he gets laughed at. 6 half. You hear him come in? No chance. There's no chance. And it either gets you short, gets you comfortable being short, or both.
5 even.
And it's the moments like that that help qualify a decision, a bias, an opinion, without the randomness that otherwise exists. And everybody wants to search order flow. YouTube, search it. And yet, very few people get you to a place where you ask the right question in trying to learn and understand reading order flow. And that is when something that should happen doesn't. Will always be the clue and the insight to some sense of an advantage as to what might happen next. You're going to try to polish your predictive skills, which we all try to do as traders, trying to polish and sharpen our predictive skills. It's about, is the guy that I'm interrogating lying? And every time he scratches his head, he is. I know I've got my guy if I ask the right questions. It's the tell that the market has. These edge zones give you that, not every single moment, but in the moments where you think it can go down, give you the confidence to pull the trigger, which is a common weakness to everyone that's in the room, in the listening to this. When you're not trading well, you're pulling the trigger like crap because you're reading it poorly. You're missing it. How many times did you miss a trade, then you chase it? Then you get it, and it goes against you, and you puke it. And if you just would have got it where you originally missed it, would have been a 180-degree different kind of result. Think about that. If you just would have got it where you missed it, it would have been a 180-degree different result. I mean, instead of being down money, you're up money, and think of that difference. Think of the emotional and psychological difference and benefits of missing less. Miss less. This moment in here. Quickly 28 half bid. Can't get it to go up.